NetVault FASTRecover enables lightning-fast 30-second recovery for Exchange, SQL Server, and Windows File Server applications and data to any point in time, delivering unsurpassed levels of business continuity for your organization. Available for software-only deployment or as a pre-configured appliance, you can take full advantage of the awesome power of NetVault FASTRecover without having to rip and replace your current backup application. In this short demonstration, we'll see how NetVault FASTRecover uses patented virtual on-demand recovery technology to recover a complete SQL Server instance, allowing our user to execute queries within seconds of initiating the recovery process.
NetVault FASTRecover allows us to recover a complete SQL Server instance or individual databases in as fast as 30 seconds and to any point in time. Today we'll demonstrate the recovery of a complete SQL Server instance. This is the NetVault FASTRecover Management Console user interface. Here, I can configure the protected servers, initiate recoveries, browse protected data, retrieve diagnostic information, and create CIFS views. These enable you to complete full backups of NetVault FASTRecover's online storage with zero impact on your critical production servers. Even better, you can leverage CIFS views with your existing backup application. There's no need to do a rip and replace in order to take full advantage of NetVault FASTRecover's awesome capabilities. As you can see, we have a SQL Server instance. Now, in order to demonstrate the power of NetVault FASTRecover, we'll need to do a couple of things that would make any SQL Server DBA a bit nervous, and understandably so. Let's go in and simulate a failure by deleting a database. We'll choose AdventureWorks. First, we'll need to close the existing connection. As you can see, our AdventureWorks database is now gone. Now again, with NetVault FASTRecover, we could choose to quickly recover only our AdventureWorks database, making it available to our users in as little as 30 seconds. However, since the steps required to recover a complete SQL Server instance are very similar and just as easy, we'll go ahead and demonstrate that instead. Let's get started. This is the timeline indicator. Here we have the ability to rewind and recover our data to any point in time, to the specific day, hour, minute, or even second. Let's choose 1 o'clock p.m. as our recovery point because we know for a fact that AdventureWorks existed at this time. Again, we'll be recovering our complete SQL Server instance. Now we simply do a right-click, recover, and we're on our way. The easy-to-use recovery wizard appears. We'll recover our SQL Server instance based on our timeline selection. It's important to note that we can recover our instance to our original server or to an alternate physical server or virtual machine in the event of a disaster recovery scenario. Let's recover to our original server. As you can see, we're prompted to first shut down the SQL Server instance in order to proceed with the recovery. If we had decided to recover only the AdventureWorks database, we would not need to take this additional step. We'll now continue with the recovery. NetVault FASTRecover uses virtual on-demand recovery technology to make very large database objects available for use almost immediately after recovery has been initiated. Users can access the recovered data as soon as a brief recovery setup phase has been completed without having to wait for the full recovery to complete. Let's continue. Now we can see just how much of our SQL Server instance has been recovered. What we also see is the Ready for Access message, which signals that we are now able to restart our SQL Server instance. Let's do that now. As you can see, our databases are now available for use. We can even execute queries as our recovery continues in the background. Again, this is made possible using the patented virtual on-demand recovery technology available only with NetVault FASTRecover. Our complete SQL Server instance recovery will continue until complete. Thank you for watching. We hope you've enjoyed seeing NetVault FASTRecover in action.